Everyone, today I would like to talk to you how to use extrudes and thicken and offset face. What is different between them? So in my scenario, I already created some sketch and some object, some shade. Let's try it. So I'm going to extrude. If on this window I'm keeping single curve. That means when I click the single curve, I can directly extrude it, this sketch into a shade, right? Let's just hit it, apply. And next, if I'm drawing on this plans to create some kind of two sketch together, and I hit it finish sketch. So at the moment, if I click extrude, if I keep in here a single curve, I can directly extrude the single curve. But if I hold shift on select this, and then in here, I changes to connected curve. And when I hit this, it could be selected these two single curve together to do the extrude, right? Let's hit it, apply, or later. But if at this moment, if I change to tangent curve, let's unselect it first, and I change to a tangent curve, and I can only select it the single curve because this two curve is not have the tangent relationship, right? But if I am doing another sketch and then I'm doing an arc here, and then I give another line which have the relationship with this curve has the tangent relationship. Next, if I going to extrude, and I selected the tangent curve, let's unselect it first, and then default is tangent curve. When I selected this, it can select this tangent curve at one time, right? And unselect this if I change to connected curve. It also could choose them at one time because this two curve also has a connected relationship with each other, right? Let's hit it, apply. And then if in this shades, if I'm changed to shade edge, and I can directly, when I mouth move to this edge, I can directly choose this kind of edge of the shades. So I click this, and you can see I can extrude it with the double directions. Let's just change to a single direction to be added one distance at 0 millimeters. And in the sighting, default is a solid, so you could got a solid body. But if I don't want to a solid body, I just want to some shade, I can just directly change to this kind of shade with the distance I want to give it, right? Let's hit it, apply. And if I change to a face edge, and when I move to this kind of solid body, I can directly select it one face of this object. Let's just select this face. You could say I extruded with these directions, right? In here, I can change the directions into another direction, but if I change to another direction, it's gonna cause some mistake. So let's just change to this directions, right? And in here, you could change the boolean relationship into now. So when you click created this object, it's divided into two objects. Let's hit it Control B, and you could confirm this is two separate body. But if I go back and then if it also doing the extrude and the default is face edge, at this moment if I select this and in the boolean I'm changed to unite, and then you needs to select the body you want to do the unite. Let's choose this body and let's hit it apply. You could obviously see this become a one completely body, right? And another function that is very similar to this extruded, and we could go into menu and then insert in the offside in the scale. There has offside face. So if I change to, if I can directly choose this face, and with this directions, we could also change the opposite directions. It's gonna menace from this object. Let's reverse it. So you could use my mouth, left click to drag. Also, you could tap the distance you want to tap in here, right? So in the offside face, it cannot generated another object. It only can generated one completely object by kind of moving one faces to the places you want to put, right? Let's hit it apply. Another thing I want to introduce is if you want to go into more, that has a seeking functions, and I can directly select the face, right? And in here, you could give offside distance, whatever you want. You could tap 10, and the offside 2, you could just give a 5. So it's gonna be extruded from the base surface you choose. The distance is 5 millimeters. You could also reverse this kind of direction, right? But notice if you use the thickening order, you could only do the extrude normal to the face. Notice is normal to the face. It's not, you could compare what is different between a thickening and offside face and extrude, right? And in the boolean, we could also select it now. So you finally you're gonna got a two object here. And if you want to unite to become a completely shape, you could just change to unite. And you need select the body you want to do the unite order. So let's use left mouse drag to where you want for this object. So let's hit it apply, right? You could obviously see the difference between we doing a thickening, extrude, and offside face. Okay guys, today's tutorial about thickening, offside face, and extrude just in here. If you like my video, just could subscribe to my channel. If you have any question related with UGNX, just leave a comments below my video. Okay, see you in next class. Bye.